So we've got some spicy news in the gaming smartphone world. The Red Magic 11 Pro just showed up on Geekbench, and it's packing some serious muscle. Let's dive in. Alright, straight to the point. Just like other top phones in 2025, the Red Magic 11 Pro is rocking the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. If we check out the Geekbench listing, Qualcomm has made some changes. We've got 2 cores, clocked at 4.19 GHz, and 6 cores at 3.63 GHz. Now that's a bit lower compared to the first gen 8 Elite, which had 2 cores hitting 4.32 GHz. But don't jump the gun. This is likely an early prototype, because rumors are still saying that this chip could hit 4.47 GHz once it's fully tuned. So what we're looking at here might just be the final scores. Also, we're probably going to see a 24GB RAM variant because last time Nubia went big with the Red Magic 10S Pro by offering that option. Now, speaking of the scores, the Red Magic 11 Pro achieved the following: 3,309 single-core and 10,742 multi-core. These numbers are higher than its older brother, the Red Magic 10 Pro, with the first gen 8 Elite, but they're not quite at the 30% jump that earlier leaks were teasing. Again, keep in mind that this isn't the final version, so expect the retail version to perform better once it's optimized. And now for the most exciting part, water and dust resistance. Red Magic phones have traditionally had weaker IP ratings because of the built-in cooling fan. For instance, the Red Magic 10S Pro has an IP54 rating, whereas most flagships sport an IP68. But hold on to your controllers, because according to a reliable tipster, the Red Magic 11 series will have a full-on IP68 rating. That means not only will it be great at resisting dust, but it can also survive if you accidentally drop it into water. And here's the kicker: it'll still have that cooling fan. As far as I know, the Red Magic 11 Pro is the first phone in the world to offer both IP68 water and dust resistance, and a built-in cooling fan for serious performance. That is absolutely insane. Nubia hasn't said when the phone will drop officially, but one thing's for sure: the Red Magic 11 Pro is gearing up to be a total beast. I'll keep you guys in the loop as soon as more leaks come out. So, if you're hyped for this phone, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and game on.